Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add a status in ClickUp. It's very easy and simple. Once you're logged in, you'll be on this page, right? You just want to come here to the top right. As you can see, this is my profile icon and you can see our name right here. And you see this first option. It says set status. You can let others know what you're doing. So just go ahead and click on this. And of course, you can go ahead and use emojis as well. Right, so let's add a grinning emoji. And how long you want to keep this status for. So let's say we never want to remove this status. You can click on never. If you want to remove this status after 1 hour, we can remove that. Now these are some options they have available. We can mute the notifications. Okay. And if you're out of the office, this will be prominently displayed next to your name when you're mentioned so people know that you are not in the office and you might not be able to reply. So let's say I'm recording videos. Okay, there we go. That is my status. And then I can go ahead and save that, as you can see. And people will be able to see this next to my name that I'm recording videos when they go ahead and add me. Okay, when they mention me. And it's really that easy and simple.